The AI technology is taking over the trading world. Are you ready to be a part of it? In this video, you will learn best artificial intelligence indicator on TradingView.com. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. Open up your empty TradingView chart and head over to Indicators tab. Then search for Machine Learning and you will see indicator from Zairman. Click to add your chart. After you add the indicator, it will load in a minute. Please head over to the settings and copy my settings as you see exactly on my screen. Please enable the all custom data and the optimization goal is combined and activate the machine learning. After you have done everything, what it will do is it will take 1000 historical data to get best SMA moving average. So hit OK and then in the right top corner you will see that the fast SMA length is 50 and slow is 109. This is all based from the historical data and it will give you the best SMA settings. What this indicator tells us is very easy. First thing first, set your time frame to 5 minutes. But of course you can trade this indicator on 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour or 1 day, whatever you want. But for the demonstration purposes, I will go with 5 minutes. Rules are very simple. When you see that this blue line crosses up the green line, it means long position. And when you see that blue line crosses down the green line, it means a short position. As all of you know that one indicator is not enough for us to get in or get out from any position. If you want to backtest this strategy or any strategy you like, I am strongly suggest you use TraderEdge. That is my favorite backtesting platform in the market. It's a great platform to test all your trading strategies easy like 3 to 1. TraderEdge offers 7-day free trial and if you sign up now with the link in the description, you will get $470 worth of trading course and backtesting guide content for free. What we are going to do is we will add second banger indicator, which is one of my favorite, super trend, and you will see indicator from Kıvanç Özbilgiç. Click that your chart and after you add the indicator you will see a lot of buy and sell signals appeared on your chart. So this can be confusing, but now we will clear that up. Head over to the settings and please change your multiplier by 6. So ATR period is 10 and multiplier is 6. Hit OK and let's do the magic. So after you change the settings, you will notice that there are less signals on your chart now, and which is good thing. You will not get confused that what's going on. Setup is ready and the rules are very simple. When you get the cross up like this, you will wait until the super trend gives you a buy signal like here. And after you get the buy signal, what you will do is you will go for long position. Yes, easy like that. I assume you understand the buy position and now let's see the sell position. We got the sell signal from the super trend, but the market is still on an uptrend based on our machine learning AI moving average indicator, right? So what you're gonna do is you will wait until the cross down, and which happened here. This is our cross down where it happened. After the cross down happens, you can take a short position, but you need to wait always bar to close itself. After you get in a sell position here, you will see some drawdown. It can happen, it's a trading. After some time you see a change of direction in the market and boom, you make your money. So take it easy. Now the question is, what should be your stop loss and your take profit, right? Let's say you entered a position here. What should be your stop loss in that scenario? The optimal stop loss will be this resistance. Why? Because this is the recent high, or it can be keep your stop loss tight and do not change it. And if you follow these rules, you will make a nice amount of money with the simple, perfect TradingView indicators. So let's talk about the take profit. There is two alternatives that you have. So the first thing is you can take your profit when the AI indicator crosses up again, which was here, right? Let's make this green. So we can take our profit here if we entered a short position here. Easy like that. And the second option is, let's say you enter a long position here with the super trend, right? Why? Because in that time the AI moving average gave the signal before the super trend. So that's why we have entered a position here. And what you can do is you can set a specific amount, a risk to reward ratio. Let's see that. Let's say 1 to 3, right? You put your stop loss to the recent low, which is here. This will be your support line and also your stop loss. And your take profit will be 1 to 3. And let's see. You see that risk to reward ratio is rising. Voila. This is the trade. And this is your second option for take profits. Best thing about this indicator setup is you can use it on the forex trading, crypto trading, or the futures trading. Even you can go and test it with the Indian market. Yes. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.